Hello everyone, this is a step-by-step guide on how to open the Motorola Moto G Play 2024 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Then start removing the back cover. To loosen the glue on the back cover, gently heat the edges. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the phone with the back cover facing the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. You can also use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Next, use a suction cup to make a small gap at the edge of the back cover. The best place to start is at the bottom of the cover. Insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap. Slowly slide it around the edges to cut through the adhesive. Take your time in this step and avoid damaging the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to loosen the adhesive. Once the adhesive is loose, carefully lift and remove the back cover. Next, make sure the SIM tray is out. Next, remove the 19 screws from the mid frame. Next, use a plastic car pry tool to make a small gap between the mid frame and the phone's body. Start from the SIM card slot area. Gently slide the tool around the edges to release the plastic clips. Work slowly and carefully around the frame. Be careful when lifting the frame. The fingerprint flex cable is still connected. Once all clips are released, slowly lift the mid frame. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the logic board. And then disconnect the fingerprint flex to remove the midframe from the body.